Once upon a time, in a vibrant forest, lived Snack the snake. Snack was a curious snake with a love for adventure. One day, Snack met Red, a cheery little fox with bright fur. Red loved games and dazzling his friends with clever tricks. "Hello, Red," said Snack. "Want to explore the forest together?" Red grinned. "Of course. I know the forest like the back of my paw." They set off, encountering rustling leaves and chirping birds. As they wandered, Red suggested a race to the big oak. "Last one there owes the other a berry," Red declared. Giggles filled the air as they dashed through the forest. Red, being faster, reached the big oak first and cheered. "You're speedy," Snack applauded. "A promise is a promise." Snack found a berry nearby and proudly gave it to Red. Under the shade, they shared tales of their favorite adventures. "Let's find another mystery tomorrow," Snack suggested eagerly. "Deal," Red agreed. "Our adventures are just the beginning." And so, Snack and Red's friendship grew, filled with joy.